Once in a while, when you're craving pancakes, usually make the basic vanilla pancakes. But in this case, we're going to be making some delicious, soft, fluffy chocolate chip pancakes, which are going to turn out incredible, mouth-watering, and delicious. The recipe gets super exciting when you have the simplest of ingredients. You need some flour, sugar, baking powder. We have some eggs, cooking oil, milk, salt, vanilla essence, and the key ingredient is chocolate chips, which are going to make the pancakes so delicious. So I'm going to add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour, add in a third cup of sugar, baking powder, that is a teaspoon, add in a pinch of salt, mix using my spatula until all the ingredients are fully combined. Then we're going to be adding in the wet ingredients. I'm going to crack in my eggs, add in milk, cooking oil, and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Use my spatula and stir in the wet into the dry. The all-purpose flour is going to give the pancakes foundation, while the baking powder is going to help the pancakes to rise while cooking. The salt is going to balance all the flavors, all the ingredients that is, and the sugar is going to add in sweetness. Not forgetting vanilla essence, which is going to add in a very nice flavor to the pancakes. So once you're done, this is how your batter is going to be looking. And mine is a little bit lumpy, which is quite okay. So avoid over mixing because the pancakes are going to turn out fast. So the last ingredient is chocolate chips, which I'm going to add in half a cup and fold into the batter. Fold in the chocolate chips until fully distributed in the batter, and each mouthful is going to be filled with a very nice chocolatey taste. Straight into cooking, I'm going to place a pan over medium-low flame and add in a tiny bit of cooking oil, just a little bit. And for the recipe, I'm using a non-stick pan, and also you'll need a silicone spatula to flip the pancakes. I'm going to give my pan around 30 seconds so that the pan can heat up, and I'm going to be using half a cup to scoop out my butter and transfer into the pan. I'm going to scoop out my butter and transfer into the pan, and once you add into the pan, it's going to evenly distribute itself just like so. You can also tilt your pan a little bit. This looks so gorgeous, and as the pancakes are cooking, the chocolate chips are going to melt and the aroma is going to be incredible since we added in some vanilla. Immediately you notice a crispy edge. You're going to flip. Gorgeous. Check on your pancakes after 30 seconds, and this is how the pancake is looking. It's gorgeous and well cooked. So I'm going to transfer the plate. Add in some more cooking oil. Stir the butter. Scoop out. And transfer into the pan. Slowly the pancake is going to spread and cook, and the cooking oil is going to add a very nice crispy edge to the pancake. So you're going to repeat for several times until you're done with the butter, and that is going to take around 10 minutes at most. It doesn't matter if you use the recipe to make some large, medium, or even tiny pancakes, because the recipe is very versatile. I'm almost done making my pancakes, and as you can see, they're looking so gorgeous. If you have a pancake griddle, you can make the pancakes at a go, but because I'm using a very simple non-stick pan, it's going to take me a couple of minutes. The pancakes look incredible, and I have a tall tower of pancakes. So I'm going to be serving to show you how you can plate up your pancakes whenever you have guests. I'm going to pick some pancakes, transfer to a plate. You can add in tiny chocolate sprinkles or use the chocolate chips that you used to cook. These are two ways that you can present your delicious chocolate chip pancakes to your family or to your guests, and everyone is going to enjoy each and every single bite. The pancakes have turned out soft, fluffy, filled with a nice chocolate flavor, and the edges are crispy. Everything is looking totally delicious. So as you add in your chocolate chips, they're going to melt, and each bite is going to be amazing.